How's it going, guys? My name's D-Man, and I'm with...
Dragon.
No, your name's Copy...
What's your name?
It's Copycat Trash, and what she likes to be called, I guess, is Dragon.
Because that's my
And we are going against Genuine Pig
Genuine Pig and
and Mr. Insane
Handsome Panda.
in a war.
Yeah. I have this weird dirt gun. Woo. Let's shoot out dirt now, not anymore. You better hurry, get away from the house. Okay, you can walk around. Wait up.
We're sneaking around. Have dirt on it. Okay, reloading. Okay.
Don't run.
Gonna sneak attack.
I don't think they're up here, dude.
We're going behind the houses.
Yeah. We came up a way where we're not supposed to be up.
Wait.
Back. Stop it. Joel, you're going to drop again.
If I drop my camera, I'd kill.
So right now we're just walking, catching my breath. Now we're speed walking.
Run!
Now we're running. Okay. This is gonna be a really boring video because I'm talking too much.
We're gonna go behind the houses so we can kill them easily.
Okay. I have the job to stay with you.
Shut up. You're gonna die.
I'm probably hiding.
We're gonna go down behind that house.
This house?
Yes.
What? I don't want to get in trouble.
Oh. I didn't get in trouble last time. We're just gonna spy on them. Alright, reloading. To the house.
I'm not holding down this way.
Oh, I should fire it.
How are you bringing it in?
Over here. Bam!
Did I get down?
Bam! No, you didn't. I ducked.
I just shoot you in the legs, like how many guys?
Yeah, here.
You're down.
Yeah, but I shot you too.
But you have to say bam! Bam, loud.
Yeah, so then that means you should have been down on the ground and then dead, and then she just gave up and shot you.
And I shot you. So basically, it's a fair war.
You had to say bam bam every time you shoot me. You didn't want.
I know.
Why do you have to
Cause I don't know if you're gonna hit me.
I didn't know.
Cause I didn't even know I was hit.
I didn't know we had to say bam bam.
We do. See?
Let's restart.
I said bam bam. I told him, get ready. Get ready. We're about to shoot them up.
Okay. Round 2, since case you didn't know the rules, let's go and start back down.
No, we're not walking. Brandon.
4 to win. Wait, no, 3. Let's go. We're walking up that hill. Fine and bye. Whew. Coming? You said you weren't gonna come.
I'm not walking up that hill.
I am.
Okay, you can go by yourself now. I'll go up a different way.
Okay, but remember, if you get shot,
If I get shot, I'll shoot you.
no, that means it's your fault. Because they went up that way too, so I want to sneak around and kill them. Fine, we'll take your way.
No, you go.
We're taking your way. Now I just know where I found out where you're going.
To the bed.
I'm going to stay up there.
Crazy.
Why are you stopping?
I'm out of breath.
We're in a war. If you're out of breath, then you'd be dead. You wouldn't be breathing
I need
anymore.
a freezer. How about that?
Come on. I don't want you to die. Okay. Hurry. Oh, wait. Why do I always put my finger over the shoulder? Okay. Oh, I hope she survives. If I find her dead, that's gonna be horrible. Oh. If I drop my camera, I'm gonna jump off for it. I remember over here when I was little. We used to be up here all the time until this girl kicked us off recently. Oh. Today we are kicked outside. Where are they? Oh, I found an ammo pack. We're gonna go all the way in the back. Bow, bow, bow. Bam! You're dead! Ha! Killed you, you sucker! How did it feel to be that sucker now? Wait, did you kill Rachel?
No.
Ah! I knew it! I have to go kill Tommy now. Oh wait, gotta finish him off.
You dare.
Hey, you're injured.
I don't know.
There, now you're dead. Dude, you gotta follow me now. Cause you're a ghost, and I have to kill Tommy. You better not tell him where I am or I'll kill you. Again.
I'm already dead.
Come over here. Gotta follow me. Yeah. I'm following you then. I don't want to die. So you haven't killed Rachel yet?
No.
I actually killed somebody. I don't think I'd be up here. Wait. I heard you! You little scallywag! Bam! You're dead! Tommy, you're dead! Didn't I kill him? He was still running away when I shot him. I'm just gonna sit here. Where is he? I already killed him. He was running and I shot him in the back of the head. Back of the head. Yeah, he'd still be dead because I shot you in the penis. And you still died. Yeah. You would be dead. You would die of shock. You're what? I'm like, he doesn't need that anymore. I already killed you. Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. Bam. Right, you did. No.
Not exactly, no.
Yeah, I saw you. We're gonna go for 2. I could hear you speaking.
I was trying to tell you.
I know.
I saw Casey doing that. He's like,
Rachel's making me really mad though.
why?
She I was sitting right out there hiding. I'm like, Rachel's like, Brandon!
I was already over there.
You can't be doing
She yelled my name. I was right by the bush. I could have killed you.
You couldn't have known though. You
I
can't
heard,
yell.
bam, you're dead,
Frank,
Rachel.
You can't yell. Yeah, and she's been like, what's that? I'm like, Rachel, I killed you. And she wouldn't stop. And Brandon, that is unfair. You can't yell.
Yeah, I shot him.
You can't yell your other teammate's name. Because look, I shot you. You're dead. You can't go when you're after your shot going out.
I told Casey he couldn't get back up, and guess what happened? He got up because I wanted to teabag him, but he's like, nope.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna punch you right in the ball if you did.
Where's Rachel?
I don't know.
We're going for only 2.
Yeah.
We won! I'm the one going home and everybody else can go die.
Yeah, like last time me and Casey went home.
No,
Hey,
Casey
Rachel.
didn't go home. Rachel
Yeah,
killed him.
last game.
Rachel killed him.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna say this real quick. Casey yelling, you're like, okay, I don't care where you heard me. You yelled, Brandon! He's here! He's here! Casey doing it.
I heard it.
I shot you. I shot you. I was telling you. Sorry.
I didn't. We didn't think
That's what I was about to say. Rachel! We have one more match to see who's the champion. Why? We're always up here. Ah! What? Let's just go in the woods. Let's go in the woods. Tommy! She's going back inside. Come on. So are we done? That stupid freaking woman had to say, "Get out of my yard!" Want to continue in just the woods?
No!
No, that's not property. That's the woods, man. I know. Like we own this woods. Obviously not fair since nobody actually goes down in that part of the house. Well, that's it for our video since it was cut short. It's a tie. Well, see you next time.